Merch na agad.
That we are now opening the floor to any questions.
Hey everyone, in a 2 and a 3. For today's video, we are going to ASMPH and at the same time going to St. Luke's. There's a reason why bakit nag-voice over ako ngayon, because guys, na-realize ko lang that most of the clips that I filmed during the ASMPH open house, lahat sila montage. So, yes, hayaan nyo muna akong dumaldal right now kasi I feel like when Sachi was there, I was alone kasi. And then like, nahiya ako mag-vlog. So, si sister for the video lang. But anyways, I'm here. For context, guys, I went to ASMPH because affiliated siya sa org na sinalihan ko sa Ateneo, which is PMSA. And of course, as a pre-med student, I'm in my 3rd year now, and I've never been more curious about med schools in the Philippines. Hence, kaya nag-join ako sa mga open houses nila, and the first one is ASMPH. I love this school. As you can see, sobrang inspiring niya. Pag-enter mo pa lang, makikita mo na yung mga banners of the batches that graduated in that med school.
You wanna join?
Shout out to my new friend who's also from Ateneo. Ano siya guys? For BS Chemistry. Now this room, as you can see, ang daming upuan. Well, basically, dyan nila nilalagay lahat ng mga YL1 student, yung mga first year med school students. And dyan sila kumukuha ng lectures and etc. Now this one is the mini version of Rizal Library, and it's equipped with a lot of medical books and enough monitors, of course, for the students. And then this one naman is the simulation laboratory room. So si Kuya yung nag-explain dyan kung ano ba yung purpose ng room na yan, etc. And as you can see, there are many human models. And mamaya makikita nyo yung famous na human model na ginagamit nila for simulation. Guys, I would apologize right now kasi onti lang talaga yung clips na na-take ko sa ASMPH, which I regret. Not gonna lie kasi may mga stations sila such as the cadaver room, yung laboratory rooms na bawal i-video and bawal mag-picture. So, alam niyo na yun, bakit bawal mag-picture in front of a cadaver. You know the ethic rules. And that's why, napaka-onti lang ng clips na nakuhanan ko for this vlog sa ASMPH. Although, it was really a good on-site experience. And guys, if may mga orgs na alam kayo na is also affiliated to different med schools and nagbibigay sila ng open house, grab that opportunity kasi sobrang iba talaga when you're inside that med school. So, ayan, I feel like yung name yan, kung natatandaan ko, it was Hannah. Tapos, ito naman guys, ano siya, digital anatomy table. So, you can take quizzes there, you can spin the human model, etc. Isa siya sa mga laboratory rooms ng ASMPH. Hey everyone, and to another re. So today's video, as you can see from the title, we are going to visit St. Luke's Medical Center today. Not for a checkup, but for an open house orientation and a campus tour. So, sorry guys, little bit get ready with me video pala to. Because mamadali rin ako because malapit na yung friend ko and sabay kami pupunta sa St. Luke's.
Hey guys, so we got merch na agad. And then our name pass. Same kami ng group. I'm with Kate and Jaira. 7. Thank you. Thank you so much. It's St. Luke's theme.
Yeah.
So yun, Karen, it sounds like excited naman silang lahat.
We're guessing the song. Ay,
Ayan,
Any
okay.
first?
So the first one here,
Guess the song.
sagutin niyo lang. May prize to, by the way.
Under the sea.
Under the Sea daw. Tama ba yun?
Alright. Okay na?
Ang galing, may pa
Okay na ba
icebreakers
lahat?
nila, guys.
Guys, I swear, worth it tong prize na to. So,
Blink twice.
please.
Are you naughty or nice?
Okay, ayan na.
Or nice.
Sige, blink twice. Tsaka na.
Ay,
Ratio, student ratio. And I said, as I mentioned earlier, these are just facts or information. Out of the total 159 students, freshmen, we accepted last year.
The highly skilled and very helpful support staff of the college. Ayun yung ating registrar sa likod, no? So as you first encounter, it will be the office of the registrar. We have the finance office, and eventually when you're in school.
so we're going for lunch. Sa 10th floor daw because I am very attentive and I'm a listener. So the program just ended and now we're heading for lunch. Very gutom kasi the open house took so much time, but it's very informative and everything that you need to know was already presented. We're just really lucky talaga na we are experiencing this on site kasi merong lunch and then meron ding campus tour later on. Wow! So they prepared a meal for us. I feel so illegal to eat here kasi lecture room siya eh. Hindi siya cafeteria. But very grateful to be here, no? We got food! It's chicken adobo. It's chicken adobo, guys. Sarap for lunch. And then may goodies. And then C2. So Kate, I'm guessing that this is the biggest room that they have, which is the lecture hall.
So, kasi lecture hall,
Parang interview. So Kate, I believe that this is the biggest room that they have since it's a lecture hall.
at the same time, ginawa nilang cafeteria for now. And since marami kami, we can assume,
that
yeah, that this is the biggest kasi we are the largest.
halatang hindi pa kami nagla-lunch, guys. So, pagbigyan. The SGD.
Kaya may beds, chicken, physical exam.
Okay, thank you so much.
Nakita siya naman kayo dito?
Ito yung extension kanina.
This is my favorite place in the world. It's the nap room.
The nap room. Wow. Ay,
Ito yung isa kong pwedeng i-flex as student ng St. Luke's. May nap room. Cadaver lab. Unfortunately, wala cadavers. Pero dito muna natin. So, kaya ganito yung setup natin. Pag cadaver kasi. Yung formalin na ako kasi. So, ayan. So, ganito.
Parang pamigay na siya. Usually parang mag-isip ka talaga with it.
Hey guys, it's voiceover Sachi. Unfortunately, I forgot to film the ending part of this video. Regardless, I hope you guys enjoy this type of series that I've created, wherein I went to different open houses of different medical schools in the Philippines. St. Luke's College of Medicine and ASMPH are just one of those schools, and I'm really hoping for much more this year. If you like this video, do not forget to like and subscribe, and see you on the next one.